Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a pretty cool knife here to do a disassembly and cleaning of. This is the TRM Holier Nerd, and this is the version that is MagnaCut. Very nice, very small knife. So let's go ahead and get into it. And let's see here. Go ahead and take this out. This is a T8 on the pivot screw. Drop that in alcohol over there. And I believe we're going to be T6s on these body screws. And those are easy to remove. Actually, I better wait. There we go. I was thinking I might better wait until I actually get them both out before I say that. Alright, let's see here. That should lift right off. And that being said, this should push right out on that side. And we'll go ahead and drop that pivot there. Pretty beefy pivot for such a small knife. And that should mean, well, it doesn't. We'll go ahead and take that one out there. And we'll need to go ahead and take those two screws out here. And that should come off. Okay. Probably really didn't have to do it on that side, but just to let you see all the internals. There we go. All right, I'm going to get some alcohol swabs here. And start wiping everything down here on the outside. And then we'll remove what needs to be removed to get this thing to come the rest of the way apart. Alright, and looks like those may be T6s as well. Those are pretty good in there. And that's a new, let's see if that may be a 7. That's a T7. That's not doing anything. Okay, so let's go back and try the. In fact, I'm going to get this a 5. That should be a 6. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Those were pretty tight. Wasn't expecting it to be, but it was. Whoop, and now everything came apart. Alright, so we've got our phosphor bronze washers there. And it feels like there's a grease that they probably used, kind of a heavier grease. We'll clean this up and put it back together with some Gunny Glide and see how that does. Nice, very cool knife. And the folks at TRM are really cool. Was able actually to visit that shop back in August of last year and had a really good time visiting with the people there and seeing the pups that they had there. So it was really nice to do that. That was, let's see, it's probably pretty sure that's the first, well, the first knife manufacturer that I had visited. So, just thinking about that, yeah. My wife and I were on vacation and scheduled that trip. So, let me get a cotton tip applicator here. I want to clean out the area where the stop pin goes. Clean that out. Make sure there's nothing where the pivot goes. You see the D-shaped hole there. All right. Let's go ahead and grab the tweezers. They've disappeared on me. There they are, where they're supposed to be. All right, and get a fresh cotton applicator and clean these two washers up. All right, and then also want to clean up that pivot screw, and should be the T8 right there. I think it's a little bit loose for a T8. We'll check that and make sure. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing if it's not a T8. In fact, let's see. It is actually a T9. So, keep that in mind. T9. Alright, so let's put this back together. And let's see. Think about how I want to do this, because the screw part is actually going to go on this side, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll put it together from this side. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that right there. I think from what that means, I can go ahead and put this one, put these back in, and this screw here, whoops, the one that I really didn't have to take out. Let's put that in place with a trying to put it in place with a tweezers. They're non-magnetic, which means they're probably titanium. Alright, let's see if I can get that. There we go. Sometimes it takes just a little bit of encouraging. And I hope I've not messed up here. If it is, we'll take it back apart and fix it. But I think we're okay. That D shape is going to need to go into that other side, so we should be good to go. All right. And that D's going toward the bottom. So I'm going to rotate that around so that that's in the right place. All right. We're going to need to put one of these washers on here. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of dab of Gunny Glide there on that. And then I'm going to put a couple of dots there. I'm going to put one of these washers on. Then we're going to put the blade on. pressure on. Well, let's wait a minute. I'm going to put a little bit of gunny glide on that side, and then we're going to want to put a little bit, oops, there as well. All right, so we'll put that. Okay, I know it looks like I've never done disassembled a knife, but I have. It's just not cooperating the way I want it to do. All right, so there goes that. And we're going to put a little bit there too, because that's going to be against that liner. And not much, just a little bit. Okay. All right, got that there. We've got 2 screws that we need to get in. I think. Ooh. Wait a minute. We've got to get these standoffs in there. And some of you were probably already yelling about that, saying, you forgot the standoffs. And let's get that T6. Tightening those pretty well. And I probably shouldn't have done that just yet. I was fixing to say I tightened that pretty decently. But if I want to slip this one in, that was not the thing to do. Alright, so I got that in. Get that lined up. Okay, there we go. You'll notice I'm being very careful about this knife blade since it is out. Alright, and then that should be that. This should go on as such. And then this, well, we're going to need to put just remember we got to have this T9 for the pivot screw. And I'm going to put just a little dab of the Loctite stick and get that started. And then we'll adjust that here in just a minute. Then we've got the 3 body screws to put in. Alright. And there's the one on that side. And then we've got 2 on this other side. And then it should be ready to... come on now. Okay, got that one. And I got that one. Alright, so that should be everything. Let's see. We don't have... I've got to back off on that just a tad. Okay. Oh yeah. Very nice. Haha. No blade play, and it's that snappy. with just this little bitty blade. So very cool, and easily roll open as such. So there you have it. This is the TRM Holier Nerd, and this has been a disassembly and cleaning of it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see y'all again soon. Please leave comments, thumbs up, and all that good stuff below. Really appreciate you watching. Thank you.